Because me sweeter than the water with a coconut. Me nicer than the lollipop. But watch a man, the higher the mountain and the cooler the breeze. The littler the fishier, the tighter the squeeze. It smell like a overnight rice and peas. The sun come down, the earth get hotter. The girl fish smell like a old leather rat. Woman it just a bubble like a soup in a pot. She have two breasts.
Basically, this waterfall we going to is like up the hill. So we have to kind of like, not up a hill, it's actually up a mountain. So we have to kind of like hike this whole entire pathway. Damn, this shit fire, bro. Big ass rock. This is insane. I really love nature. Y'all don't even understand. Look at the water. Bro, the flow, like, damn, that shit look, oh, damn. Oh, bro. Hello rocks to climb over, gang. Oh, my goodness. I almost tripped like 4 times. No shitting on the river. I guess they think I'm finna shit on the river. What? Tight ass gap right here. Look at that. Coldest water I've ever been in. Oh my goodness.
Bro, the mist is all over my phone and this current is like, this current is crazy.
My phone is genuinely soaked. I don't know if y'all can see, but like the mist is coming off the waterfall. I tried bringing my phone into the waterfall, bro, but like the current was too strong and like the mist was like messing up my eyes OD. So I couldn't even do it. But bro, gang, that shit was crazy. Bro, I felt like some type of Buddhist monk on some shit. Just got back to the crib from the waterfall. The waterfall was fire, I ain't gonna lie. I dead didn't expect it to be that cold. It's like mad close to where we stay at. And I've been coming to Jamaica for like, what, 19 years of my life, bro? And like that's the first time I've ever been to that waterfall. That shit was fire though. I don't know if I'm finna vlog the rest of this trip. I really just was trying to vlog like a little bit. It's just supposed to be like chill vibes, you know? It ain't finna be like no overly skibbity ass video. Damn, I just seen a butterfly. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's like a big ship. I think it's like a cargo ship out there. It just rained crazy, but I think this tree right here got knocked down. I don't know if I'm tweaking, but I'm pretty sure if I go back to like the other footage, the old footage that I have of me recording this whole little area, there was a tree there I could have sworn.